Hey everybody, it's Albert Flynn DeSilver here, author of Writing as a Path to Awakening, the memoir Beamish Boy, and several books of poems. Thank you so much for being here, for joining me on the YouTube channel. I'm happy that you're here. If you like what you hear, feel free to click the like button. Also the subscribe button. Every week we're doing interviews, we're doing these fun videos and releasing new material. Also click that little bell, that helps the algorithm and helps us provide you with some really great content. So thanks for being here. Today I wanted to share my favorite writing advice ever, possibly ever. There might be a couple of favorite best writing advice ever videos here, but I want to jump into like the first one that came to mind when I started thinking about these videos, and that is allowing yourself to write crap. Yes, allow yourself to write garbage. Here's the weird thing. We all think that, you know, we've been through school, we know how to write, we're educated, we read, and so we know how to write. And so when we sit down to try and write, and it's like nothing really that interesting is coming out, or it's kind of ordinary, or it might be a little flat, you know, we sort of get down on ourselves. And we have this expectation that every time we hit the page, we're supposed to write something brilliant and interesting and dynamic. And my experience is that most of the time, I'm coming to the page and just like writing ordinary stuff. I'm just writing like some vague ideas. I'm just getting stuff down, but I'm allowing myself to write garbage, to write crap. First draft, let me qualify this, first draft only. Now you wanna, I'm a big believer in excellence, of doing the best you possibly can. So yes, as you move through drafts, you're improving, you're expanding your knowledge and your brilliance in the writing. You want it to really shine. You want it to be professionally edited. You want it to be dynamic. You want your sentences to be luscious and interesting and to lead to the next one in a beautiful way. So yes, but initially, if you allow yourself to write crap, this will free up so much energy, and this is the gateway to getting things done. So a couple of things I wanted to say about this. One, it takes a conversation with confrontation to to get going with your writing here, and to allow yourself to write crap. I mean, this is kind of like a little bit of a battle of the ego, right? Because your ego says, I'm smart, I'm well studied, I've practiced writing, I've been to school, I should know how to do this. But the truth is that there's different parts of ourselves that are always noodling about. And so if you can like kick the ego aside a little bit, just kick them like that, get them out of the way, and then proceed to just get your language, get your words, get your ideas, get your feelings down on the page. Okay, the other thing is to trust in the process. It's important to trust in this process. And think of it as an activity of release, where you're getting those initial garbagey ideas out and out of the way. They're out of your body, they're on the page, and now you can clear the way for your creative brilliance. The next thing is the promise. The promise is that when you do this, when you surrender to writing crap and writing garbage, what happens is that you're staying engaged, you're staying with the process, and you're continuing. And you're trusting that it's going to evolve. And in my experience, this is what happens. There's an evolution that takes place. And this is where it gets exciting. If you can stay with that, stay with the evolutionary trajectory of process, that's where the magic is. Because that's how we get things done. We keep showing up. And we trust that, yes, it's going to get better. It's going to get more interesting. Because we keep returning to the page. We keep reading. We keep studying. We keep trying to figure out what makes a great paragraph, what makes a great sentence, what makes a great word usage, and how does it all come together to become a wonderful and interesting and dynamic personal essay, or novel excerpt, or chapter of your memoir, or poem, or whatever it is. Every writer I know, all of my friends and professional colleagues, they all talk about just that first draft, getting that first draft out and releasing it, letting that garbage go, get it out on the page, and then keep showing up to refine, to polish, And this is true for any creative act, as you well know. Okay, there's my 5-minute mark. I think we're good here. That's what I wanted to share with you today. I wanted to share that just be okay with writing garbage, with writing crap. And I found this so liberating. I hope you do too. Please click the like button. That helps us a lot. Subscribe. We're going to be showing up here every week with new videos. I hope this was helpful. Feel free to share on your favorite channels and ding the little bell as well. And till next time, live well, love well, and write well, and happy holidays. Thanks, everyone.